Alright, troop. Gather round the banana tree. We're diving into the jungle's dirty little secret, the shadow economy. No flashlights needed, just your monkey minds. Farmer Green Claws, official banana hut. Monkeys line up, trade shiny leaves for bananas. Every sale recorded. Farmer gives some leaves back to the jungle chief for taxes, pays for vine bridges, monkey medics the works. Official economy, banana sold. Leaf paid, tax leaf given. Simple. Boring maybe, but simple. But she, listen rustling behind the waterfall of whispering palms. That's Monkey Mick. He's got bananas too. Selling them cheaper. It's no official hut, no lines, no annoying forms. Just Mick a shady banana and a quick leaf swap. Monkey happy, banana cheaper. Mick happy keeps all the leaves. But Farmer Greenclaw, confused? Jungle Chief very sad? This, my furry friends, is the shadow economy? Underground banana action? Off the books deals? No records? No tax leaves for the chief? Just secret handshakes and hidden fruit. Why? Oh, monkey reasons. Sometimes, the official hut rules drive Mick bananas. Too many inspections, he screeches. Too many forms asking, is banana organic? Is peel recyclable? Theft? Sometimes the tax leaf feels huge, especially when banana go up at the hut. Why give Chief 3 leaves when I can keep him? Mick thinks, scratching his head. Sometimes Mick can't even get a permit to sell at the hut. Too tricky. Shadow easier. But it's not just about dodging the tax leaf. Shadow deals often dodge everything. Safety rules? Nah. Mick's bananas might be stored next to the stink bug colony. Quality checks? Forget it. Is that banana perfectly yellow or secretly bruised underneath? Buyer beware. Monkey happy now? Monkey tummy ache later? Here's the jungle-sized problem. The jungle chief needs those tax leaves. They fix the slippery vine bridges so monkeys don't fall. They pay the medic monkeys when someone does fall. They fund the banana blight patrol. If too many deals happen in the shadows, tax leaf collection go down. Uh-oh, bridges stay broken. Medics run out of banana bandages. Blight spreads. Suddenly, banana go way up for everyone at the official hut to cover costs. Monkey, very sad. Even the rule followers suffer. Is the shadow economy pure evil? Not always. It lets clever Mick make some leaves without jumping through hoops. It gives poor monkeys a cheaper banana when the hut price makes the monkey sad. It's flexible, fast, and fills gaps. But too much shadowiness? It weakens the whole jungle. Less money for shared stuff, less safety, less trust. You're gonna complain too if Mick sells you a rotten banana. Jungle police. They need tax leaves to which they ain't getting, so the shadow economy. It's all the banana business happening off the grid. Avoiding taxes, dodging rules, operating in the leafy twilight. Monkey happy, Mick happy, chief sad, farmer scratching head. Finding the balance is key. Too many hut rules. More monkeys swing shadowy. Too few rules. Chaos. Rotten bananas everywhere. The best jungles try to make the official hut fair and easy, so monkeys want to play nice most of the time. It's a jungle out there, folks. Just remember those tax leaves build the vines we all swing on, usually. Thanks for venturing into the economic undergrowth. If this peek behind the banana curtain made you smirk, do our channel a solid subscribe. It helps us buy more metaphorical bananas, officially, of course.